Hi friends, my name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to continue the previous video about JFoenix tutorial series. And today, we are going to talk about input field with validation. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my tutorial. Okay friends, first of all I want to say sorry for my English is not good, so if the word I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Okay, so today we are going to talk about input field with validation on JavaFX. Make sure you have installed JFoenix on your computer. If you don't know how to install JFoenix on your computer, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. The next step is make sure you have installed Scene Builder on your computer. If you don't know how to install Scene Builder, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, the next step is create a new project. In this section, I use IntelliJ IDEA. If you are not familiar with IntelliJ IDEA, you can use your Java software. Maybe you can use NetBeans or similar with that. Okay, I create a new project. I select JavaFX and JavaFX Application. In this section, I use Java 10. I select Next. Don't forget to give your project name. In this section, I give project name InputField Demo. The next step is click Finish. Okay, this is our project. We have three files: main.java, controller.java, and sample.fxml. The next step is don't forget to import your JFoenix library on your project. If you don't know how to import JFoenix on your JavaFX, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, this is our JavaFX project. The next step is open sample.fxml. You can right click and then open in Scene Builder. Okay friends, this is our sample.fxml file. In this section, we will focus on input field, especially in text field. Okay. I search JFX text field. Okay. This is JFX text field, and in this section we will focus just only on this component. We can see on the JFoenix documentation here, input field, we can change focus color, unfocus color, label float, and others. Okay, we will try one by one. I give prompt text, maybe student ID number, we can try to compile. Okay, and this is our JFX text field, student's ID number. Okay, This is prompt text. We will try another styling. We can change focus color. I want to change to the blue like A, and then unfocus color to the orange. And we can text label float. Save and try to compile. Okay. This is student ID number with focus color light blue, and this is prompt text. I want to duplicate this text field to see float effects. Okay, look like this. Float effects. Focus color is light blue and unfocused color is like yellow. Okay. Maybe I change this to password. Okay, and don't forget to give FX ID, maybe txt student ID, and another is txt password. Okay, the next step is connect controller.java to FXML file. I'm sorry, FX controller sample.controller. Okay. The next step is we are going to make validation for each text field. Okay, the next step is we go to the scene builder view, show sample controller skeleton, and we just need to copy this code and go to the controller file and paste here. Okay. Okay, the first step is we are going to try about required field validator. We can see on the documentation here required field validator. And we are going to set message. Maybe something cannot be empty, and we are going to implement this method to txt student get validator txt student ID and focus property So if txt student is empty, it will be show message cannot be empty. Try to run. Okay, look like this. Cannot be empty. So if you are not fill this text field, it will be show message cannot be empty like this. Okay, we also implement another validation. Maybe we can add number validation. Okay, I give this comment, maybe required input field. Okay, next step is we are going to try about number validator. Num valid, maybe new number validator, num valid dot get validate. Oh, I'm sorry. Set message, maybe only number, and we are going to implement this method on txt student ID. Okay, try to compile this method. Okay, so when we fill string, it can be show number only. Okay, cannot be empty. And if we input this with something string, only number. Okay, because this is student ID number. Okay, we will implement this method on txt password get validator, same with the before. Txt password focus property. Okay, try to run this program. So I implement one method in two components, txt student ID and txt password. Okay, so when I not fill this text field, it will be show message cannot be empty, and when I try to fill with number, no error message, and when I empty this text field, it will be show message cannot be empty, and when I fill this text field, no error message. I think with this JFoenix text field, we can see about material design so powerful and so help us to design our login form be more elegant, more beautiful, and user friendly. Okay, I think enough tutorial in this time. If you have any question or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much, and see you again on the next video.